Hey, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're exploring the DJI Neo, DJI's newest addition to their drone lineup. Known for its innovative technology and cutting edge designs, DJI continues to lead the market, and the Neo is no exception. Marketed as a compact, pocket friendly drone, the DJI Neo is designed to appeal to a wide range of users, from casual hobbyists to seasoned professionals. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the design, features, performance, and market positioning of the DJI Neo, providing a thorough analysis to help you determine if this drone is the right fit for you. The Neo's design appears to echo the lines of the Hover X1, yet it introduces unique elements that enhance its usability and appeal. The drone's lightweight build and foldable design make it incredibly portable, fitting easily into your pocket or bag, ideal for on-the-go filming and travel. DJI has attempted to address this limitation by providing 23 gigabytes of internal storage. While this is adequate for casual use, professionals who shoot in higher resolutions or need extended recording times may find this storage capacity limiting. The DJI Neo's compact size does not detract from its performance. Rather, it enhances its versatility. Whether you're a recreational user or a professional looking for a reliable drone for demanding tasks, the Neo proves to be a versatile option. One of the most compelling aspects of the DJI Neo is its pricing. DJI has positioned the Neo at a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for those who want a high-quality drone without breaking the bank. This strategic pricing aims to appeal to a broad audience, from casual users seeking an easy-to-use, portable drone to professionals requiring a reliable tool for more demanding projects. Image quality is often the deciding factor when choosing a drone, and the DJI Neo aims to deliver high-quality footage. The camera system on the Neo is designed to balance size and performance, making it suitable for capturing aerial footage in various settings. While detailed reviews are still forthcoming, initial impressions suggest that the Neo's camera offers good performance for its size. The DJI Neo is a promising addition to DJI's lineup, offering a compact and versatile solution for a wide range of users. As with any new product, the true test of the DJI Neo will come from hands-on reviews and user feedback. These insights will provide a clearer picture of the drone's strengths and weaknesses, helping potential buyers make an informed decision. For those eager to stay at the forefront of drone technology, the DJI Neo is worth keeping an eye on. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for a fun and easy-to-use drone or a professional seeking a portable solution for capturing high-quality footage, the Neo has the potential to meet your needs. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates.